Happy New Year, you guys. This is day one of 2021. I want to share with you my brunch that I put together for the new year. First off, we're going to start with my egg frittata. The first thing you do is crack a few eggs into a bowl and you scramble it, shake it, mix it well. And then we're going to add a little salt, a little pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Also, while you're doing that, you want to go ahead and saute your onions, your red and your green bell peppers, just so that they can be pre-cooked before you place them in the egg frittata for the oven. The next thing I'm going to show you how I like to oil the muffin pan. I just use a little spray oil and I place it, in each of the muffin cups so that when I pour the egg in there, it will help the egg not to stick to the muffin pan. And here you see me adding the pepper, the black pepper, the red pepper flakes, parsley flakes, a little pinch of salt, and then we're going to add some spinach to it as well, you guys. And I'm going to give it another toss and another little turn just to make sure that everything is nice and mixed. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to add a few of these pre-cooked bell peppers and onions to the mix because I want to make sure that some of that gets down in there as I get ready to pour these into the muffin pan. You guys, this is a quick 10-minute meal. It doesn't take a lot to make these egg frittatas. They are so easy, they are so fast, and there's something that I like to do often when I am entertaining, and they're perfect for breakfast and brunch. So I'm going to go ahead and toss these over into the muffin pan, and I'm going to pour a little at a time into each pan because don't forget, if you do not mix it well, the yolks, once you're mixing or you're pouring, the yolks may stick together and they may pour too much in each cup. So I always like to either, while I'm pouring, use a fork or a spoon to make sure that you measure your pour. So now that I have the eggs in there, what I'm going to do is add some cheese on top. I'm going to add a little bit more spinach. And then I'm going to also spoon in some more of those peppers and those onions that I pre-cooked earlier, just to make sure that each one of these have a little bit of all of the ingredients, which is the spinach, the cheese. You want some onions and some of those bell peppers in there, and so that when they cook, you will have these little mini egg frittatas that not only taste good, but those red and green peppers along with the red pepper flakes, they will also make a pretty presentation. And then I want to share with you my egg frittata waffle, you guys. I know. You haven't seen this before. Why? Because I just invented it. I actually added the egg frittata to my waffle maker, you guys. And I love this waffle maker because it has the snowflakes on the back. And it's a very pretty presentation for a winter brunch. So here I'm just showing you how the egg frittatas is actually done cooking, and it took you guys no more than about a good 5 minutes. I actually preheated the oven to 375, and I cooked these egg frittata for about 7 minutes, and they were absolutely done and complete. So I'm gonna just take them out the oven now, and I am going to let them cool for just a second, probably about 4 minutes or so, and then I am going to take them out and add them to my spread. Okay, so you guys, now that they have cooled a bit, I am now going to take all of them out, and I use this do this by using a knife, and I just go around the edges of the muffin just to kind of make sure that they're loose. And then I take a fork or a spoon and I just scoop them up out of the muffin pan. And here you see these beautiful, gorgeous little egg frittata with all the beautiful colors in them. The green from the spinach, the red and green from the bell peppers, and then they have the onions in there and the bits of cheese as well. And what I did was I used some cheddar cheese, and then I used some jalapeno hot pepper cheese